What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today I want to talk about NNDM, a stock I haven't talked about for a while. It was in my investment portfolio. I winded up taking profit on it, exiting, so I could free up some capital to do some more day trading. But I seen a beautiful move and I'm back in it. So I'm gonna get into that. But before I do, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market. And I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So that being said, let's just get right into it. So NNDM, notice this complete drop off. We had this news come out yesterday. If you read it right here, shares of several technology and software companies are trading lower at a steep sell-off in the tech sector. And let's see. And as investors awaited for Fed Chair Powell's congressional testimony, investors may be taking profits following 2020's tech run, while a rise in yields has weighted on high growth sectors. So it's just that's part of the game, man, and it is what it is. But it also, prior to that, on the 18th, it had some news about another direct offering. And they sold shares at 12.80. So when it dipped below the 12.80 and just had a complete sell-off down here, I started noticing the climb back. Let's get into this chart. I started noticing it climb back, and then if you could kind of see, it's kind of making a pattern of climbing back. So this morning I bought it. I bought it at the market open for a swing to the 12.80. Since the last offering price was at 12.80, I truly believe it will eventually reach that 12.80. So it's kind of a swing play for me. I'm going to hold it until it reaches that 12.80 area. And I was in at 11.80. So, that'll be roughly about $1,000 profit. And that's the goal. I'm currently up, a little over $200, $250 on the day. And just, the only thing about these are, they could get extremely choppy. So you have to be really patient, so that's the goal with this one. NNDM, again, man, this is one of those companies that have great revenue. They actually have a great track record of growth year over year. They got a great track record of growth quarter over quarter. And, I was buying this thing in the sixes way back when, and then, sold it in the eights. And I had said that, during those videos, if you haven't watched them, you could go back and watch them. I have them on my channel that I truly believed it was going to reach the 14 area. And as you can see, we got as high as 1789. A great growth stock. And again, just like that article had said, a lot of these tech growth stocks are just on massive runs. It was due for a drop off. And so now that it had one, I seen a beautiful opportunity to dip by it here and potentially hold it back up to the 1280s. Now, unless it's showing like some complete weakness for another drop off, that's going to be the only way I will sell it. But as long as it continues to maintain this trend, it could definitely even push back up to this line in the 14 area. But the 1280 is the goal. So that's going to be my plan for NNDM. With the direct offering at 12.80, I truly believe it will get back there because I've bought these on the dips of direct offering. But that news coming out, about the Fed Chair Powell's congressional testimony, and for that to affect all tech stocks, because you just noticed a huge drop off. A bunch of stocks were on sale, and this is one of those stocks where when this one's on sale, I'm definitely a buyer because I've actually done all my due diligence on this company, and for it to be dropped to the nines, that told me, oh my God, and I completely missed it yesterday, which was fine. But now I've repurchased it today, bouncing off of this line right here, in the 1140s, and now we're back in the 12. So I'm up about a $300 profit right now. So that's a great start to capitalizing on NNDM. So just to do a quick review on that one, guys, it has a great opportunity to reach the 1280 again very easily in my mind. And they can get extremely choppy. So these ones are more for a swing trade for me than holding on to it and trying to capitalize on some quick movement because it gets so choppy. As you can see in here, we went from 1240 I'm sorry, 1140 to 1180, back down to 1140, up to 1180, back down to 11. Then now we're having a run to 1240, and then now drop down to 12. And so they get really, really choppy. Again, this is a listed stock, a NASDAQ stock, so I anticipate that choppiness, and it's completely okay with me. But definitely a great dip buy opportunity that I saw for NNDM. So I thought I'd try to capitalize on it. So that's going to be it for NNDM, guys. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my analysis. Again, if you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you can do that. So NNDM on a great discounted price. Direct offering at $12.80. We're trading in the 12s. So definitely could get back to that $12.80 area. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I'll be sure to keep you updated as much as possible. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.